This video walks you through how to set up payment reminders in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which appears as a gear. This opens the area where account preferences and automation options are managed. From settings, look under Setup and Configurations, then click Reminders. This takes you to the Reminder Settings page, where Zoho Books lets you manage automated notifications for different record types. Stay on the Invoices tab, since payment reminders for unpaid invoices are configured there. In the Automated Reminders section, you can either turn on an existing reminder or create a new one. If a reminder is already listed and you want to use that setup, switch it on with the toggle. If you want to build a new reminder instead, click New Reminder to open the setup form. Both options lead to the same goal, but creating a new one gives you full control over the timing and message. Enter a name for the reminder. Use a name that makes it clear what the reminder is for, since this helps later if you manage more than one schedule. After that, set when the reminder should be sent. Choose the number of days, then specify whether the message should go out before or after the invoice due date or the expected payment date if that is the option you are using. Make sure the timing matches the schedule you want, because this determines exactly when Zoho Books sends the email. If you want the reminder to start working right away, check Enable this reminder. Leaving it unchecked will save the reminder without making it active immediately. Next, choose the sender and recipient email addresses. Select the address that should appear as the sender, then choose who should receive the reminder. If needed, you can also add CC or BCC recipients for additional visibility. This is useful if invoice follow-up needs to include another internal contact or a secondary recipient. Now customize the email itself. Edit the subject line so it matches the tone and purpose of the reminder. Then review and update the message body. Zoho Books provides placeholders that automatically pull in invoice information, which can help the message include relevant details without manual entry each time. Use those placeholders where needed so the reminder reflects the specific invoice it is attached to. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Saving activates the payment reminder based on the schedule and settings you configured, as long as the reminder is enabled. Your payment reminder in Zoho Books is now set up and ready to send automatically on the schedule you selected.